Alright guys, so I'm going to show you connected Beats to your Android, such as a Samsung Galaxy. Now it's pretty simple and I'm using the Beat Studio Pro, but this also works for others such as the Solo 3. Alright, so first on your Android, just swipe down twice. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and hold down on it. So now it's searching. So for your Beats, on the right one, you notice there's this button right here. So if you hold it for 1 second, that'll turn it on. You might notice that a pop-up comes up on your Android. Now if you don't see the pop-up or it on the list here, then you're going to hold down the button for 3 to 5 seconds. So 3 for the Pro and 5 for the Solo 3. Yes, now you see it's flashing and I have the pop-up. Also, if there's no light here, then you have to charge your Beats. Okay, so on your Android, just press connect. It's asking if you want to download the app. Personally, I would, because there's a ton of features and settings that you can only adjust if you have the app. So I'm going to press download. Alright, so once the app is downloaded, just press agree. And scroll down, press agree. Then press get started. And I would allow notifications, so just press that, press allow. And if you want to send feedback, but I'll do don't send. Then it's press next. And press allow. And yeah, from here there's a bunch of stuff you can change. Also, if you check under Bluetooth, you'll see it's connected there. And hey guys, all there is to it. If you want more Beats tips, just press in the top right. And yeah, thanks for watching.